Use the sport variations of your favorite golf equipment from trusted manufacturers. If you happen to you get referred to as out on this, simply give the cart crew a $2 tip for cleansing your golf equipment. Similar to buying anything that's fairly costly, everybody has a price range, and as golf nice fishing mom heart shirt, it's nice fishing mom heart shirt, tank top, v-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, nice fishing mom heart shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, v-neck, hoodie. Not everyone grew up with someone to teach them, and the difference is not simply watch a YouTube video. It takes a staggering amount of research to do something that I might never do again. And I could easily mess it up if none of the videos I'm watching nice fishing mom heart shirt. Not to mention those who are on a budget literally don't have the room to make mistakes with these kinds of things. It's not only 'cause I can't cook, do not enjoy to, but it's also exhausting. Preparation, buying ingredients, which can be pricey, putting it all together hoping you don't fuck it up halfway and mix something you shouldn't. Other product